Okay, everyone, now we're counting on Student Body President Paige to fill us in on leadership cultivation at TCU. She's a senior majoring in finance, and she's become the leader she is today through a campus network and culture that encourages lifelong learning and dynamic growth. Paige, you're on.
Thanks, Alex. As soon as I stepped foot on TCU's campus, I knew this place was like no other. Our community is incredibly engaged, and all of our students are involved and self-motivated. In addition to classes, the average student is a member of at least a couple student organizations. Whether they be Greek, academic, cultural, or volunteer in nature, there's a place for everybody. TCU aims to cultivate not only well-rounded students, but also world changers, and there are countless opportunities for leadership on campus. For instance, as a first-year student, I knew next to nobody. I was able to make friends that would go on to be leaders all across campus at my frog camp in Boylan, Germany, which was also my first time ever in Europe. These relationships have been invaluable to me, and every opportunity that I've had at TCU has only opened up more chances for me to make friends and to challenge myself. I have served in a variety of leadership positions, both on campus and within our community, and after 4 fantastic years, I've had the opportunity to serve as the student body president. I am so grateful for the opportunities that TCU has given me to develop into a more ethical, compassionate, and driven leader. As a student, you can make a real difference on campus. One of the initiatives that I'm proudest of is the Community Commons. The pandemic hit universities hard, and first-year students especially had a difficult time making friendships and building community in a safe way. And so the outdoor living room was born. I've also had the opportunity to work with the Race and Reconciliation Initiative to develop the Unity Cord. All graduating students have had the opportunity to wear a Unity Cord, which is the physical embodiment of the strength, resiliency, and TCU spirit that we have all channeled to get through this year. I've learned the value of hard work and of perseverance, how to cope with failure, and also how to sell my ideas to others. This is such an exciting time in TCU's history. We're reconciling our past and stepping into an even brighter future. Coming to TCU will provide you the opportunity to become the very best version of yourself, all while making lifelong friends. Though my time as a student has come to an end, I am so excited to see what future generations of Horned Frogs are able to do with their time here. Back to you, Alex.
Paige, that was fantastic. Awesome job. Thank you for sharing with us your experience as a student leader. Congrats on all your accomplishments and good luck in your career. Thanks again, Paige.